This is a used canvas.
Yes, I can see that, and pretty ugly too.
Now hold on, Jean-Pierre, let me explain.
It's Jean-Pierre, and yes, I am curious. Why would you buy a used canvas?
The reason why this is a used canvas is because used canvases, for some reason, are cheaper than blank canvases.
But that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I know. And since it doesn't matter because I'm going to paint over it anyway, we might as well get them at the thrift store or something. Now, some of the floor is going to be darker and a little bit of brown is in there. I know I should be making brown by myself, but I have brown, so why bother?
Do you not know how to make a brown?
Well, I do. I just don't want to make it when I already have it. I'm not lazy.
I guess you have a fair point. Please continue.
See how much that is a dilemma in painting? You add more of one and you're like, oh, that's too much. So then you have to add more of the other one. And before you know it, you're stuck with all this paint.
Yes, that is a real problem. I always teach my students to use the right amount. Please, continuez, s'il vous plaît.
That you don't need. It doesn't have to be very detailed. Water to just make it whoop. No, don't drip. Now we got some bush. So because of my brush strokes, I couldn't really get the desired effect. I used this, it just went like that. You can see it has a very different texture now.
My dad's painting a wonderful painting, and I love it.
Yeah, let's hope it gets wonderful. It's kind of difficult, gotta admit.
I love you.
I love you too.
Your daughter is quite cute. Is she going to be an artiste as well?
I don't know yet. She likes to color, but we'll leave it up to her.
I think teaching children art is very important.
Yes, teach them art. Art is joy and ecstasy and bliss. Hold on, who are you?
Yes, who are you? A nice outfit.
My name is Moonleaf. I teach my students how to be one with art and one with nature. Ah, I see. Good to meet you.
Vincent, I think she is quite the character.
Yes, it seems that way, huh? So I'm putting on the second layer. I mean, this is an umbrella. You can see that it's not perfect, but...
Not perfect, not perfect. An artist should always strive for perfection.
it will get there. I'm still in the process. It's not about perfection. It's about the stream of thought, the soul, the life, the flow. When you think about being perfect, you cannot see the divine within, the one true spirit, essence that makes you, you. Wow, so spiritual.
D'accord, I see your point.
Yeah, you want to say hi?
Yeah.
Camera. Here's Layla.
Hi.
You have a blue
My
mouth.
sister. Hi. I got suckers.
Suckers, yeah. Here we are, the next day. And the face. I'm not going to put too much detail into the face because, well, with the brushes and the paint, that would be almost impossible.
I understand that was a big dilemma.
It was challenging, Jean-Pierre.
Jean-Pierre.
Yeah, and I realized that many artists, when they want to paint a face or a portrait, they do it on a bigger canvas.
That is absolutely true.
Just embrace the challenge. It will make you stronger and happier. And there we go. Yellow and red, orange, a lot of white, skin color.
Are you creating a video course?
Of course I will have a course.
What will you teach?
We'll talk about that later. I have a lot of planning to do. I hope it will help people find their voice. It will certainly do that and more. Now let's keep watching. Yes, the water, the drenching. Let the rain soak up the fluids of nature and drench you with its spirit. I am swimming. I am swimming. Let it rain, Mother Earth. Bless this earth with your moisture. Rain, I call thee down from the sky. Oh. Okay. Awkward.
Sacre bleu, I wish I could enjoy the rain so much. In France, we typically hate the rain if it is too much.
And here's the end result. What do you think?
Excellent, you have done, as they say in America, a good job.
It's more than a painting. It's an expression of the true you. The you within you. Thanks for your feedback, guys.
If you like this content, follow me on Rumble, YouTube or TikTok. Merci beaucoup for watching this video.